Good morning, Rax. Today is Thursday, June 11th, and today is National Corn on the Cob Day. Not popular to do. Three big things. We're still talking about respect this week, and the Thursday piece says find out about traditions and values of another culture. That can always expand your mind and give you more perspective. Hey, graduation will be at Rax on June 27th. That's a Saturday afternoon. For our seniors. And well, you might not be a senior. You may be able to watch it live. It'll be streamed. We'll have more information about that in the coming days and weeks. But even if you're not there in person, you'll be able to enjoy the experience, and it'll be pretty good. It'll be different, but it'll be good. Remember, there's still time to pass the year. Now, if you're watching this, there's a good chance that you're doing your stuff, you're active, you're staying on top of all your schoolwork. Maybe today's the day to reach out, and I'm talking to teachers too, reach out to one person in particular just to push them through to that finish line, because we're almost there. We've got to keep going. No birthdays at Rax today. Couldn't decide between Kodak Black. He sounds like he should be from Rochester. I mean, Kodak fits. And Joe Montana, who actually they named a town in Montana after him. It's just, what town do you live in? Joe. Not joking. That's all I've got for today. Have a great day, Rax.